In this video, I'm going to be testing out the DJI Mini 5 Pro's wind resistance and basically see just how good it actually is in the wind. Now, if I put the forecast up on screen, as you can see, it's not hugely bad at ground level, but when we get further up, it is certainly quite gusty. Okay, so it'd be interesting to see how this DJI Mini 5 Pro actually does in the wind. Now, the 5 is actually rated higher than the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Okay, so we should expect to see it better in the wind than that drone, but certainly this test will reveal all. So what I'm going to do is put the drone up in the air, take it up to various altitudes and just see how well it copes, try to make some forward momentum against the wind, and let's see how it gets on. Now, what we have done is we have come out to this big field here, basically to ensure that we get the maximum effect of wind possible, but most importantly, that if anything does go wrong, we've got a huge amount of space to land it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right then, so we're going to go ahead and take off.
Take off. Home point updated.
Do not expect that at this sort of level it will be an issue at all. It is actually bobbing around a little bit, actually. If I just chuck my camera up there, hopefully you can see it. It is bobbing around a little bit, but certainly nothing that's going to bother this DJI Mini 5 Pro. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just pop my camera back down, and then we've got a gust coming. As you can see, it's blowing my hood up. Freaking hell. Oh, I'll give up, it can just stay there. Right, so what we're going to do is just raise it up, say 10 meters, and let's just see how it copes if I move the gimbal down, whether it's getting blown off course or not. So what I'll do is I'll use myself as a sort of marker. Oh, Christ, my flying's terrible today. Oh, we are getting a strong wind warning. Oh. That gimbal can certainly catch some wind. Right. Oh, it's getting blown away. It's getting blown back. Oh, no way, my camera's falling over and everything. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, this is absolutely incredible. Right, so let's just get back, top down. Oh God, it's twitching like hell. It's absolutely all over. Right. Oh man. Right, that's close enough. There we go, we've got a base, give or take. Right, so that was quite interesting. So at 11 meters, it was getting blown pretty much all over. All right, so let's just go ahead and fly upwards further. Let's put it in sport
Obstacle
mode.
Sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
There we go, 40 meters. And it does seem to be holding its own the higher altitude we go. Okay, but that was certainly tricky. Let's go up to 70 meters, 75 meters. Oh God, I can hear it absolutely screaming up there. Look at the compass, strong wind warning, but we've not actually had any gusts. Okay, so I can feel a gust coming on now. So let's just see if it blows it off course at any point. There we go, look. Oh, I can feel one coming. But it is holding pretty steady at the minute. Oh, there we go, there's a gust. Oh, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Right, let's head up even further, I think. Oh man, look, it's barely moving in sport mode. It's barely going up. Wow, that's absolutely incredible. Let's flick it from normal back to sport mode.
Sensing unavailable.
Go up again.
Fly with caution.
Oh, there we go. Now, oh, look, it's struggling. It's struggling. Strong wind
Max
warning, but
altitude
if we look
reached.
at the dot, we are pretty much coping with the wind just about. Oh, this is incredible. Right, so let's bring it back down. As you can see, the wind's just popped us over that 120 metres. So it's even struggling to come back down. Why is it barely coming back down? Oh, there we go. Look, God, it's really battling this wind here. Right. God, it's coming down so slowly.
Obstacle
Wow.
sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
Right, here we are. Right, so what we'll do... Actually, let's pop it back up again. We'll just head this way. But it's so nimble. Let's just go ahead and see if we can head out into the wind. Well, he's doing that okay. So now let's head this direction. Yeah, it is doing okay. Got a strong wind warning. Why did it just lower altitude there? Oh, we've got a ghost. It's barely moving. Oh, this is incredible, guys. Right. Oh, look at that. Look how much it's moving backwards. You can see we're getting blown all over, up and down. Look at our altitude, up and down. Look at that. Wow. Oh, here's a strong gust. Oh, God. Look at that wind. Oh, let's try and make forward momentum in
Obstacle
sport
sensing
mode.
unavailable. Fly with
Sport
caution.
mode. Look at the altitude. Oh my God. Did you see that altitude then getting dropped down? Oh, come on. Come on. I'm getting battered by this wind. So even in sport mode, it is actually struggling. Okay. Obviously, coming back won't be a problem, so let's just head back. There we go, look. Huge amounts of speed coming back. Huge amounts of speed. Right, let's just get some more distance that way. I'm going to spin it round. Look at that, it's getting blown all over. Right, so let's try and head back again. What is happening? How come? Right, so all I'm doing is pushing the forward stick, not down. So if I push forward, it's barely moving. Oh, this wind. Let's push it forward again. Look at that. Even in sport mode, we're only getting 2.2 meters per second. Why does it keep losing altitude? Look at this. There's certainly something with the aerodynamics of this Mini 5 Pro. Definitely something with the aerodynamics. Definitely something going on. Right. Oh, massive gust. Whoa. Like, I'm not pressing down on the sticks here, guys. It must be that when the drone tilts in the wind, look, I've let go of the sticks and it's raising back up again. Let's just press forward. Look at that, it's absolutely all over. Right, 23% battery. Let's bring this bird down and give it a bit of a rest. Oh man. Oh, even in sport mode it's struggling like hell. Oh, your camera's blown over and everything. Look, it's banking like hell. But yeah, very, very strange.
Low battery. Return to home promptly. Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Let's cancel that. Right. Oh God, it's actually getting blown away. Right, I think it's time to land this drone and to come up with a conclusion. man, that was absolutely incredible. As you can see, the winds have really picked up. Okay, so there's no denying that it was struggling. Now, compared to the DJI Mini 4 Pro, this is rated better in the wind, okay? But I have noticed something in terms of the aerodynamics of this drone. I think the wind tries to blow over the top of it and it actually forces it down. We saw that repeatedly in this extreme wind test. And as you can see, the props are off like mad. But yeah, I'm convinced that this drone has not an issue, but just a design feature where instead of sort of sitting sort of more level, I think it goes more this way to be able to fight the wind more. But that might well be causing the drone, like I say, I'm just repeating myself, but I think that might be causing the drone to have the wind go over the top of it. And of course that bloody big old camera isn't going to help as well. It's certainly catching the wind. So just something for you to be aware of. So it's time to end the video. Hopefully you found this video useful. Please do give it a big thumbs up. It tells the YouTube algorithm more people just like you might want to watch my content. Subscribe if you're awesome. And until next time, thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.